Let us discuss the problems on your universal soil loss equation. So let us calculate the annual soil loss from your given field. So let us given data here. The rainfall erodibility 1000 million tons per hectare per year. This is per year. And soil erodibility index, crop management factor, that is C value, conservation factor is P value, and slope length, that is LS. Okay, we know the universal soil loss equation A is equal to RKLSCP. So here substitute all the values RKLSCP. Okay, R is equal to 1000 and K 0.2, LS is equal to 0.10, and your conservation factor C is equal to 0.5, conservation and crop conservation factor, that is your 1. Okay, now here see the value of the conservation mean 1 means here there is no practice has been followed. If you remember if you follow in the contour farming, strip cropping or terraces, the value may be taken as 0.60, 0.50, okay na, and 0.70 or less or even the less. So here the conservation practice factor, that is 1, means here 1 means there is a higher erosion. That's why here there is no conservation practice such as your terraces, bunds or any other practice is not followed. Okay, now without following any conservation practice, you got the soil loss 10 tons per hectare per year. If you practice as conservation practice, now suppose either using terraces or strip cropping or bund or simple contour farming, you followed. So let us assume that due to the conservation practice, the P value 0.5, because we are adapting some values. So in this condition erosion may be reduces. So in this condition we taken the P value 0.5. So remaining values are same, 1000, 0.2, R, K, L also same, P also be, C also be same, and P also be reduced half. Suppose P has been reduced half, means you are practicing some conservation methods. So what is the erosion at this condition? That is your 5 tons. Means here you can say that when the value of the P is reduced from 1 to 0.5, in this condition soil reduced 5 tons per hectare from your 10 to 10 tons per hectare. Means the conservation practice plays major role in this erosion control. So similar problem here. The K has been given directly, R given, L has given, conservation practice P given, and cover practice. Okay, soil cover given. So compute the value of soil erosion asking here, and also make the comment on the soil loss when the field is kept under the continuous pasture with 95% cover. The C value now 0.003. Here the C value 0.50 and C value reduced to 0.03. So let us see. You know the A is equal to RKLSCP. Substitute all the values. A is equal to RKLSCP. R 175, K, okay, LS, C here. C factor 0.50 and you get the A value. So now what I did here, the C factor has been changed, that is your 0.50 to 0.03. Remaining factors all parameters are same, 175, 0.40, 0.70 and P also 0.05, and C value has been changed instead of 0.5 to 0.003. So what happened? The erosion has been drastically changed. So it shows that same the C value plays major role on your soil erosion. Similar like just we now did the P value. Okay, if you reduce the P value of similar way, your C value will also be changed, major role. So now determine the crop management. Here asking the crop, we need to find the value of C. Okay, other parameter has been given. Let us see. That is your K has been given, R has been given, and LS has been given. Okay, that is 0.70, and the conservation practice, that is your P value also be given. And here the soil loss from the field has been given 2.5 tons per hectare per acre okay, per year. So using the A is called RKLSCP, so I need to the C. So C is equals to, what will happen? A is equal to A by RKLSCP, substitute all the values and you get the C value. So this is for your assignment. Here problem I am explaining you. So please keep in this. Please, this is the most important question asking examinations for long marks. The soil K value is given here, the K value, and the field length, that is mean L, and slope 9% given. So here L is equals to 60 meters and S is equals to 9%. And the C, cropping management. See here, cropping and management include for the wheat crop. Okay, wheat, meadow, maize, that is your 0.09. And land is under the straight row cultivation, up and down cultivation. So now the soil is given 4 tons per acre per year. Okay, now determine the most suitable conservation practice. So I need to get this much, not more than this. So in this condition, the P value 0.6, and if I followed another practice, that is P value 0.3. And what will happen in this all this condition if I am changing the P values? So whether my changes in erosion may possible or not, let us see. Okay, let us given data R given, K given, LS given, C given, P. So now there are 3 conditions. So first of all, without practicing, see here, for the given here, what I given, the land is under the straight row cultivation, up and down slope. Up and down slope means there is no practice. So my land slope in this, so I am slope direction this way. So simply without any conservation practice, the erosion I need to calculate. That is a 1. So in this condition, substitute all the values R, K, L, S, C, P is equal to 1. So now what is the erosion here? 12.48 tons per acre per year, right? So now what happened? So I adapted some conservation methods like P is equal to 0.6. Similar value 240.34, same. I'm not changing anything, only changing my P value 0.6. At this condition, from erosion is reduced from 12.48 tons per acre to 7.45 tons per acre. Okay, again similarly I am reducing the strip cropping. Here that is a P value 0.3. Okay, now all the values keeping the same and P value has been changing.